What's up, guys? It's Crypto Clay here, and as you know, the market is currently down, and there's a few reasons why. We lost a lot of trust yesterday in one of the largest exchanges on the market. Binance was hacked, and regardless of how much money was stolen, regardless of, people lost trust. And it makes sense because if an exchange that size can be hacked, then it just makes perfect sense to lose trust in a system like that. And it's happened before, it'll happen again as long as there are centralized exchanges. I've said that for a while. So that makes complete sense to me. But we've also recently found out that the lawyer, the trustee in charge of the Bitcoin from Mt. Gox, has been selling that Bitcoin in market orders on exchanges and causing the price to plummet since December. And there's a chart that displays each time he has listed or sent Bitcoin to an exchange and then sold, and it's hilarious to see the candles on those sell orders on the chart. So and the thing is, it's like he's barely even touched all of the Bitcoin that he has available to him. So I don't even know what to think about that right now. So you have two options, right? You have two options. Actually, you have three options right now as to what you can do to protect yourself from the current market, or at least help yourself in this current market. The first option is, okay, you want to continue hodling. Awesome. You want to continue hodling because you believe that the market is going to eventually return to its uptrend. Okay, well, you still need to not think about the current market because it probably is going to dip a little bit more. So go out, do something else, get your mind off of the market. Later on today, I'm going to be streaming on D Live. I'm going to be streaming some Fortnite, and I'll post the link in my Discord server. And that's what I'm going to do to get my mind off of the current market because, guys, I'm affected by this just as much as you are. In fact, I'm probably more affected by this than you are because all of my money is tied up in crypto. So I'm going to be doing that later. The second thing that you can do is sell now and wait for a bottom, which makes complete sense if you're in this only for profits. So you could sell now and wait for the bottom, or you could even try and short the market currently. And by doing that, you're taking a huge risk because at any moment the market could continue its uptrend, especially with what I've been saying about springtime being the start of uptrends usually in the Bitcoin market. So you're taking a huge risk if you do that, and I'm not saying you should short the market currently, so please don't confuse the two. And then the third thing that you can do is just get out of the market altogether. Because if this is too stressful for you, or you can't take all of the ups and downs, then this is not the market for you. And I hate to say that. I never like to tell anybody to get out of this market altogether just because I've gotten out of this market before in the past after Mt. Gox, and it's a shame that I did that because I lost out on a lot of potential gains. And I know that's going to happen to anybody that gets out of the market entirely now, because we're still in our infancy here, guys. So keep that in mind. But again, if this is not what you thought you were getting into whenever you got into this market, then I would just get out, and I would stay out, because chances are you're not in the market for the right reasons. I know back in 2014, I was not in the market for the right reasons, and it took me a long time to realize that. So, yeah, that's all I wanted to say today, guys. You know, regardless of which path you take, you need to get your mind off of the market, and you need to go out and do something today, tomorrow, over the next few weeks. You need to get your mind off the market, and you need to do something fun. Do something to get your mind just entirely off the market and focused on something entirely different. But that's all I wanted to say today. Again, guys, I'm going to be streaming on D Live later, playing some Fortnite, so I hope to see some of you guys there. That's going to be it. Crypto Clay out.